Hello and welcome back, guys. So today what we'll be doing is we'll be looking at this function called we need to create this function called sum of digits, right? And we will be given two numbers, so it could be uh, so it's inclusive, huh? So we will need to add one at the end because our range function will not work if we were to do it like that, because we need to find what. So if there is 10 and 15, we need to segregate that into digits form, right? So divide by 10 or whatever, right? And then after that we need to segregate it. If it is 2 digit or whatever, if it would be 3 digit as well, we need to segregate each and every digits inside it, and then just add the digits together, okay, and just loop over it. Okay, so this can be done using, let's add a temp variable. So for I in range start comma n should be there +1, because we need to capture the last one as well, otherwise end will be not included in Python in this range function. All right, so for j in, so since there would be a edge case that I want to handle where string, so we will make it into a string, the I, right? So, and then I don't want to do hard coding of I string and 0 and all those things. Okay, so we want to loop over it because it could be a single digit as well. It could be 1 to 5. In that case, there won't be 2 digit. It could be 3, right? So it just depends. And then what we can do is tmp plus equals to j, but we need to convert it back into int first of all, right? Then what we can do is just return it, return temp. Okay, so what we are doing is we are basically creating a loop, like including this 15. So we make it 10 to 16, which means 16 won't be there, but until 15 will be there. And then after that, whatever comes in, we make that, suppose 10 came over here, we make it into a string. So this will be what? This will be 1 comma 0, let's say in a range function terms. So 1 comma 0, so it'll come over here, it will add 1 over here, and then next thing it will again loop over the 0, then it's going back, and then over here what happens? So it's 11 now, right? So 10 is gone, so it comes over here, it will be 1 comma 1 and j, and then it converts it back into 1, and then it adds over here which had 1 over there. So it's doing this thing, right? And then next loop again comes in, and then it adds that 1 back to the temp. So basically what I'm saying is temp would be basically equals to 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1. So this is how it will work. Okay, and then it will come again, and then 1 plus 2. Okay, so that's how it will work. So that's my solution. Let's run it. Okay, seems like it passed the test cases. Let's see how others have done it. Let me submit the code. All right, and then let's check the solution as well. And here, that's my solution itself. Others have done something similar, right? This person has done something similar. Okay, this person seems to have used sum and then for digits, and then it's still, you will have to loop over it. Okay, seems like a ChatGPT code, but still. Right, so this one is interesting. String and then doing it. Okay, they could have just done it over there. No need of this variable. Next thing is what this guy has done, Subhas Bisnoy. So making a list out of it, and then after that sum is there. Then for looping over that particular list, right? So it was what, 10, 12, 10, 11, 12, all those things. And then so while number is greater than 0, and then it's doing the same thing. Remember what I said, the remainder of it, and then it's simply adding the sum plus the digit. Okay, so remainder will be, so if it is 11, 10, it would be 0. Right, so it will be 0, and then next thing it will be 1 2 3 4 5, and then that's how it will be added. and a number will be number again. Right. Okay, number divided by 10 as well, because we will need to add the number thing as well. We will need to calculate that component as well, right? The number, that the main digits itself, not only the remainder. Remainder will give us the second component of it, the second digit of it, not the first digit. Interesting. A lot of people have done it. Okay. Okay. So this is a bit of thing around like doing it the thing way, DSA way, right? So we are doing it from Python perspective, right? So this thing, and if you're doing this DSA way, this thing is perfect. This thing is good. Okay. So thank you very much for your time. Take care. Bye bye.